Have you locked yourself out of your Ubuntu system, and now you're staring at a password prompt with nothing but frustration? Don't panic, because in this video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset your forgotten Ubuntu password using the command line. Allowing you to regain access to your machine. First, you need to restart your computer. As your computer boots, keep an eye out for the GRUB Boot menu. If it doesn't appear, try repeatedly pressing the Shift key during startup. Once the GRUB menu is displayed, use your arrow keys to navigate to the Advanced Options for Ubuntu entry. Select Advanced Options for Ubuntu and press Enter. This will display a list of options, including different kernel versions. Choose the one specifically labeled as Recovery Mode and press Enter again. After a few moments, you should see the Recovery Mode menu. This is where we'll perform the password reset using your arrow keys. Navigate down and select the root option, and then hit Enter. Now you're in the root command line. You should carefully type a specific command to remount the file system with read and write permissions only when reading the command on screen. Type another command to start the process to reset your password. After pressing Enter, the system prompts asks you to enter and confirm the new password, ensuring that you remember it. With your password reset, you can now type another command to exit the prompt. Once you're back to a familiar menu, it's time to resume the boot process. Select your usual boot option, restart your computer, and enter your password now. You should be able to successfully log back into your Ubuntu system.